Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the concept phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is an inborn error of metabolism. Means it's an inborn disease and it is caused due to error of metabolism. So there is an error in the metabolism of amino acid called as phenylalanine. So due to this error of metabolism of the amino acid phenylalanine, it causes phenylketonuria. It is called as phenylketonuria because in this individual, phenylketone or phenylpyruvic acid or phenyl acetate is excreted in the urine of this individual. So these individual excrete phenylketone or its derivatives through the urine. That is why this disease is called as phenylketonuria. So phenylketonuria is caused due to error in the metabolism of amino acid called as phenylalanine. In the normal individual, the phenylalanine is converted into another amino acid called as tyrosine. The conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine is mediated by the enzyme called as phenylalanine hydroxylase. So phenylalanine hydroxylase is an enzyme that helps in the conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. This phenylalanine hydroxylase is produced in the liver and it is produced by two autosomal genes which are present on the chromosome number 12. So these two genes which are present on the chromosome number 12 are responsible for the production of phenylalanine hydroxylase. That is why it is called as autosome linked trait, because the gene which is responsible for the production of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase that performs a normal metabolism of phenylalanine is present on the autosome, that is chromosome number 12. That is why it is called as autosome linked trait. It is an autosomal recessive trait because only in the recessive condition, when both the homologous chromosome have this abnormal gene, only in that particular condition the symptoms of phenylketonuria appear in that individual. In the normal individual, both the homologous pair of the chromosome number 12 will be having the normal gene or the dominant gene, and it is represented by capital P. So this normal gene produces normal quantity of phenylalanine hydroxylase, which helps in the conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine, or the metabolism of phenylalanine will be normal in this individual because of the production of normal quantity of enzyme, that is phenylalanine hydroxylase. So this individual will be normal or they does not show any symptoms of phenylketonuria. Whereas in the second condition or in the heterozygous condition, out of two homologous pair, one of the chromosome will be having the normal gene or dominant gene which produces phenylalanine hydroxylase, whereas another chromosome will be consisting of abnormal gene or gene responsible for phenylketonuria, and it is represented by small p. Because of the presence of this dominant gene, some quantity of phenylalanine hydroxylase is produced, which converts some amount of phenylalanine into tyrosine in this individual. Anyhow, normal metabolism will not take place because only little enzyme or little quantity of enzyme is produced in this individual. That's why only some of the phenylalanine will be converted into tyrosine, whereas some amount of phenylalanine will be deposited in the blood or the tissue in the form of phenylpyruvic acid. So only little amount of enzyme is produced, because of which some of the phenylalanine will be converted into tyrosine in this individual. In another condition, when both the homologous pair have this abnormal gene or recessive gene or a gene responsible for phenylketonuria, in this condition no enzyme is produced. So no phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is produced in this individual. So because of that, literally there is no conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. So all phenylalanine will be deposited in the blood or the tissue in the form of phenylpyruvic acid or its derivatives. So there is an increase in the phenylalanine pyruvic acid concentration in the blood or the tissue fluid in this individual. So when this phenylpyruvic acid will deposit in the brain, it results in the mental retardation, or there is a low IQ of this individual because of toxic effect of this phenylpyruvic acid on the brain. Apart from that, due to lack of tyrosine, so there is no conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine in this individual. So due to which there is a lack in the amino acid tyrosine in this individual. So this tyrosine helps in the synthesis of a melanin. So due to lack of tyrosine in this individual, they shows light color skin, eye and the internal structure. So that is about the phenylketonuria, its causes and symptoms of phenylketonuria. I hope this video will be useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.